Guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Today is my first time to play with slime. My slime's in here. Let's go open it. Actually have some foam bits in it that I put and mommy put the pink one in here. I'm gonna show you the others that I make slimes. Over here. Oops. There. Slimes, and I'm gonna show you the others. So guys, I'm gonna also show you this. This looks pretty nice because it's color pink, right guys? And also this one, it has some gold in it. And she has some gold. So actually I put this here big. This one that I put big. So guys, I'm gonna make another one that's super pretty. This blue, super light. Go open it. I think I must go first. Get this. I'm just gonna get. Mom. There's this. Now we're gonna mix it up. Actually, I know how to make a slime and also make flowers. So next, guys, we're gonna put this one. So guys, I already put the yellow too in it. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. Yep. Okay, guys, let's put this one on. And of course, I got some 4 customers in here sitting. Let's go get the 1 customer. Oh, here's Jollibee. What this is order? Oh, I think I hear what is order. Okay, guys. Here's the order of Jollibee. So let's go get it. This looks delicious. Okay guys, the second customer are done eating, so that's why we're gonna get the 4th customer. No, 3rd customer, sorry guys. Okay, here is the 3rd customer. So let's go hear what she says. Oh, I hear what he said. He said that he wants this one. Ah! No guys. Well, I just can't get it. Guys, this is so the slime as in Lazada is only 500